What we're going to do today is use this, which is called a Sharpie tester. This basically measures how tough something is, which is how easy it is to snap when it gets hit. So what we're going to do is put a chocolate bar just here, lift this up and then let it snap. So if the chocolate bar stops it dead right here, it's absorbed 100% of the energy, which means it's really tough. If it swings through it and breaks the chocolate bar, then it means it's not absorbed very much energy at all. So we've got these 3 chocolate bars to represent different kinds of materials. Which one do you think is going to be the strongest, the toughest? Crunchy. Okay. What do you think? Going? Anyone else? Whisper, Mars? Different bets? Okay. So we'll try the crunchy first. Mars. The softest. Okay. Go on. Do you want to join in? So what we do is we put the chocolate bars just here. So this is the crunchy. We leave this at 100. Then do you want to count me down? So if we look at this, we can see the crunchy are shattered into lots of different pieces, which are all around here. That's because this is really brittle. So that means when you drop it, it goes everywhere. If you imagine dropping like a plate or a glass, it's kind of like that. So we'll do the whisper next. Do we think that'll take more energy or less? More. Okay. Got less and more. We'll see who's right. So put this in again and we go back to 100. Go on, count me in. Go on, someone. So we see this has taken a little less energy but it still broke. But if you look at the surfaces, they still fit back together. That's because the chocolate's quite soft and ductile, so it doesn't shatter, it just bends as it breaks. So these fit back together. So finally, we've got the Mars bar here. What do we think this is going to do? Do you reckon it'll go to like 70%? Or do you reckon it'll be lower? Do you reckon it'll go down to 10? Higher. Okay. What do you think? Okay, so I think it's going to be higher? Okay, so go on, one last time. I'm sorry. So, if we look at this one, it's taken all of the energy out of the swing, but it has actually broken a little bit. So the chocolate around the edge breaks because that's like the whisper. That's still a bit brittle, so it breaks easier. But if you look at the inside, we've got all this soft, ductile material. It's the caramel and the nougat. So this spreads all the energy out, and that's why it takes more energy, and that means it's tougher. And this is kind of how we test materials in our labs. So do we each want a bit of chocolate? Go on.
One.
Oh, go on, one. I'm not sure we've got enough for everyone.
Just one, yeah?
Do you want some? Go on, do you want a piece?